In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use managed columns in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know how to standardize your people column so assignments are clear, consistent, and partially automated across your boards. Start on your Monday.com. Home. This is your jumping off point, and it's the easiest place to make sure you're in the right account and can see all of your work. If you have multiple accounts or roles, double check you're in the workspace where your board lives. Head into Workspaces. Workspaces are the containers that organize your teams, projects, and boards. Think of them as folders for entire initiatives. Open the workspace that holds the board you want to configure so your changes apply in the right place. Open the specific board you're managing. Managed columns are all about making a single column behave predictably, so pick the board where your team tracks work and assignments. Once the board loads, look for the three-dot menu at the top of the board. This menu exposes board-level controls that affect how your columns work. Hover over Settings. Settings is where Monday.com keeps configuration for the board structure and behavior. We're going to focus on the People column, because that's typically where ownership and responsibility live. Choose Customize People column. This opens a panel dedicated to how the People column behaves on this board. Managed columns in this context means you're putting guardrails around that column, guidance for your team, defaults that save time, and rules that keep data tidy. Add a description. A clear, short description tells everyone exactly how to use the column, who should be assigned, when to change an owner, or any conventions your team follows. This appears as helpful context right where people need it, reducing confusion and rework. Enable auto-assign people. This setting lets Monday.com automatically add assignees when new items are created or when certain actions occur, depending on the options available in your plan. It's a powerful way to cut down on manual steps and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Click. Add people to choose who should be assigned by default. Select the teammates or roles that always need visibility or ownership. Keep in mind that only members with access to the board can be added here, and you can fine-tune later if your process evolves. Finally, use Filter to validate your setup. Filter by the People column to confirm that new items show the expected assignees and that your views reflect the ownership you intended. This is a quick sanity check before rolling it out to the team. That's it. With these settings, your People column becomes truly managed, clear instructions, smart defaults, and clean, reliable data your team can trust.